Hey guys, it's Millen again. You want to be sound smooth and natural when speaking in English? Well, today I have a special announcement for you that you might be interested in. First of all, I'd like to extend my gratitude for all your love and active support on behalf of the entire Fluency community team. We've gone so far, guys, since I created this group. It's already 7 months old now. Okay, so in the following weeks, we'll be sharing more fun and original content and better organized weekly meet-up. We're launching a brand new Fluency Workshop where we'll be working on extensively English pronunciation and conversation. After this workshop, I guarantee you guys, you will speak clearly and naturally. Since this is our first launch, we will be working on fewer students, so we only have few spots available. Register now and that will be starting on October 26th. And now, Shikar, one of our moderators, will be sharing more details with you about this workshop. So take it away, Shikar.
Hello community members, this is Shikar, a content writer from India. I'd like to personally thank you for taking interest in advancing your spoken fluency in English and being a part of the Fluency community. There are more reasons to be fluent in English than any other time in the past. 67 out of 195 countries worldwide have English as their official language. For 19 out of 25 European Union countries, English remains the most commonly spoken foreign language. In July 2020, W3Techs, an online company, after surveying the top 10 million websites on the World Wide Web, estimated that 59.7% of all content on the internet is in English language. There is more content out there on the World Wide Web that is in English than in any other language. A different survey by the Internet World Stats recently estimated that there are 1.18 billion internet users that speak English. That's 25.9% of all the users on the internet. The English language has made its influence felt both in the real world and the World Wide Web. This is what makes English the lingua franca of the world. When you become fluent in English, you're able to connect with all those countries that have accepted English as a language for international communication. More people are able to benefit from your skills and talents. Personally speaking, working on my own fluency has helped me a lot in becoming a better learner, communicator, and a coach. For the past 2 years, I've been training intensively to advance my speaking skills with other coaches and students from all over the world. We've worked together on practicing word lists and scripts. We've worked on our pronunciation, fixing our difficult sounds. We were committed to the process and did this regularly as often as we could. Now this was before I was invited by Lynn to be a part of the Fluency community. I've been using English since I was 5, but I didn't become a decent speaker of English up until a few years ago when I took the decision to improve my spoken fluency and do whatever it takes to become an effective speaker. The benefits and advantages of spoken fluency in English are endless. When you're fluent, you're able to express your needs and wants effectively and intuitively. You can have conversations on a broad range of topics. You can continue a conversation comfortably. You speak in a way that others understand easily, and your pronunciation or accent does not affect your communication. You don't get stuck while speaking, and if you do, you're able to fix your mistakes easily. You're able to understand and use a wide range of vocabulary. You speak automatically without translating between your first language and English. You're able to share your ideas and resolve conflicts. If there's one skill that's going to make the maximum impact on your life and work, it's your ability to speak effectively. And simply practicing isn't enough. We also need to be practicing with the right techniques and feedback to generate faster results. This is exactly why we're launching the Fluency Workshop. This is a 4-week-long workshop where we'll have 3 sessions each week. So in all, we'll have 12 sessions. To achieve fluency in English, we need to use English as much as we can and as often as we can, which is why we'll have 3 sessions a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. When you enroll in this workshop, you'll get a complete evaluation of your English pronunciation, work on your most difficult vowel and consonant sounds, and an intensive conversation practice with and without scripts. You'll also get plenty of worksheets to practice with. The Fluency Workshop will start next week on Monday, October 26, 2020. Sign up now to register for the Fluency Workshop. We have limited spots. Some members have already registered with us, so act now before the seats fill fast.